Hello childrens, how are you all? I hope all are you fine and safe. As in previous videos, we have finished chapter number 1. That name was review. Okay, but in this video, we are going to start chapter number 2. Chapter number 2, what is given? Roman numerals, as you can see on the screen also. Okay, so before starting this chapter and starting the exercise also, we will discuss main rule on how to write Roman numerals and easily we can write also. Okay, here I will show you main rules. By that you can easily write Roman numerals. Is that clear? So let's see here. I am showing to you. Here see, there are 7 basic symbols to write Roman numerals. Okay, as you can see here, these symbols and their Hindu-Arabic values are as follows. Okay, just see here. Here is given, I have written, see this. Okay, it is given Roman numerals and this is Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, so I is 1 here, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. Clear? Now students, these are 7 basic symbols to write Roman numerals. So always remind it. Okay? Then after, here some feature of Roman numerals. What is given? First one is given symbol for 0. Okay? For writing 0, there is no symbol in Roman numerals. Okay? Next, place value system. No. For writing Roman numerals, means in Roman numerals there is no place value system and no symbol for 0 also. Remember it. Okay. Now after, here I have written some main rule also. As you can see here, see this main rule. By this you can get properly. First is, what is given? Repetition of a Roman numeral, there will be what? Addition only. Okay. Suppose there is given repetition of a Roman numerals, then there will be what? Addition. Okay. As you can see here example also. Here's the example. What is given? I is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. X is equal to 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. I 3 times. Then add 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then C and C is equal to 100 plus 100. What is 200? The next M and M 2 times, then 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 2000. Okay. Next X 3 times, then 10 plus 10 plus 10. Here also adding, what is 30. Clear? It means when repetition of a Roman numerals is given, then there will be simply addition. Okay? But one more thing, before doing addition, we have to remind it what? As given here, no symbol, sorry, yeah, this is only, no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. Okay? We can repeat a numerals, Roman numerals, till only 3 times, not more than 3 times. Remind it. And next one, second one point, only I, X, C and M. Which Roman numerals? I, X, C and M can be repeated, but only up to 3 times only. Okay? We can repeat these Roman numerals up to only 3 times, not more than 3 times. Remember it always. Okay? And one more thing, as you can see, here is given VLD cannot be repeated. Okay? We can write these at only one time, and other I, X, C and M can be repeated till how many times? Only up to 3 times, and VLD only up to 1 time. Clear? Next, rule number 2. What is given? Here you can see rule number 2, it is given. If smaller numerals written after a larger numerals. Okay? When smaller numerals is written after a larger numeral, then there will be what? Addition. Remember it. It means, for example, we can see here, when a smaller numeral, here is, see, written after a larger, firstly written larger numeral and then after written smaller numeral. Okay? So there will be simply addition. Got it? So here first is larger numeral, V is 5 plus and I is 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay? Next, larger numeral V, then after written smaller numeral. Here also adding 5 plus 1 is equal to 7. Next, XI. Here also X is larger numeral by I. Okay? The next is 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Okay? Similarly, next example also given. As you can see here, here is XII. Here is 10 plus 1 is equal to 12. And XV. X is larger numeral, V is smaller. Then 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So simply going adding here. And here also L is 50, X is 10, larger numeral after smaller numeral. Then addition here. Got it? Then after rule number 3. What is given here? Here is, if a smaller numeral written before a larger numeral, then there will be subtraction. Got it? It means it is just opposite of plus. When larger numeral written before and smaller is after, there will be plus. And when smaller numeral is written before but larger numeral after, then there will be subtraction. Got it? For example, we can take any number like this IV. It is how much? 10. How can we find this? Here you can see smaller numeral is written before and larger numeral after. Okay, smaller numeral is written before and larger is after. So here we will be minus larger numeral. What is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Got it? Similarly, we can see other example also. Here see what is given. Yeah, I have told you. Here is larger numeral after, smaller numeral before. So here is going subtraction, and 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Ix is 10. How can be? Larger numeral after. So minus here by smaller numeral. 10 minus 1 is left 9. XL, X is 10 and L is 50. Larger numeral minus smaller numeral. That is 40 left. Okay. I hope you have got these rules properly. Then after this we will start the exercise. Which one? Second A. Let's see here the exercise second A. Okay. As you can see on the screen here, what is given? Just see here. Let us see question number first. What is given here? First is write using Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay. Here are given Roman numerals. We will write these Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay. So first part, what is given? V. I told you V is stands for 5. Okay. And VI stands for 6. How can be? V is 5 and I is 1. And clearly we can see larger numeral before and smaller is after. So here will be plus. So 5 plus 1 will be 6. Next IV. It is opposite. Smaller is before and larger numeral after. So here will be minus. So larger numeral 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Ix. Here also smaller numeral before and larger is after. So 9 minus 1 x is 10 and 10 minus 1, what is left here? 9. Next x stands for 10 only. Next xi. Here is x is bigger and I is smaller. Okay. If bigger numeral is before, that will be plus. So here is 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Here is V is 5 and I is 1 plus 1, 2. Here is going adding. Why? Because V is larger numeral and I is smaller numeral. So here also will be add according to rule as I told you. So it is 5 plus 1 plus 1 will be 7. Okay. Here also 10 plus I 2. 10 plus 2, 12. Okay. Next xii. X is 10. Here is going only adding. Why is going? Because x is larger numerals and I is smaller numerals. Larger numerals is written before and smaller is written after. So here also 10 plus I plus I plus I, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it will be 10 plus 3, 13 only. Okay. and here is x and x. Here two numerals and name what is x and repeated 2 times. There will be also plus. So 10 plus 10, 20. As I told you, when I, x, c, m are repeating up to how many times? Till 3 times. So there will be add. And any Roman numerals like that I, x, c, m cannot be repeated up to 3 times. Got it? Next x, v, I. Here also. Okay. X is how much? 10 and vi is, we know very well what will be, vi will be 6 and x and it one will be 16. And here x, v, I. X is 10 and v, I is equal to 7. 10 plus 7, 17. X, I, v. Okay. Here is x is 10 and iv is 4. Then 10 plus 4, 14. Next x, 10 plus ix is equal to 19. 10 plus 9, 19. Then x, xi. X is how much? 10 and x is what is 10. 10 plus 10, 20. And I 1. What will be? 21. X, I 3 times. 10 plus 10, 20 and I 3 times plus 3. 20 plus 3, 23. And x, vi. 10 plus 10, 20 and vi is 6. 20 plus 6, 26. Here is x, 2 times only. 10 plus 10, 20 and vi. V is 5, I 3 times. That will be 3. Then 20 plus 5 plus 3. How much will be? 28. Okay. And here is x plus x. X 10. 2 times 10. 20. And ix is 9. Then it will be 29. Okay. Then after x. 3 times repeated. Here also 10 plus 10 plus 10. How much will be? 3 times 30. Got it? Similarly, as I have done A and B part, you will do one C part. That will be your as homework. Got it? And I will give you this question as homework. And tomorrow we will start question number 2. Okay? That is write using Roman numerals. Okay? So till for today, this is enough from me and for you also. So thank you students. Have a nice day.